pre-number concepts. So come to page number 54. So in that 54, we're going to discuss sorting concept. So sorting. So tick the ones that do not belong to the groups. So at the end of this session, we'll have an activity. Please do it on paper or in textbook, whatever. Try to send to our group. So here, tick the ones that do not belong to the groups. That do not belong. So belong means it is considered to some group. Same things, then we can say belong. So that do not belong. So which is different things, we will need to find it here. So here, what is that? They are given one group here. So in this group, we have to find which one is different. So here cabbage is there, carrot, cucumber, potato, onion and lady's finger. So here these are all, what is this? These are all the vegetables. And this is one which is reptile, this is caterpillar. So this is the, which one is different? So these are all vegetables. These are all insects or reptiles, whatever it is. So this is the one different. Now you can find in this also. So fox, camel, rat, deer and ball is there. So some are belonging to animal and some is playing thing. So you can tick the which one is a different. And come to matching. So matching concept. Draw lines to match the objects of same color. So they're already matched with this. So here are some fruits, vegetables here given and juice. Here also some fruits and some insect they are given. So they are matched with the color, not with the item. Which type of item it is, which type of material it is. So we need to match with the color. So here already drawn green color with the green caterpillar, yellow with the yellow type, orange with the orange and red with the red. So here you can identify the colors. So red, yellow, green, orange. So what is this? Red, R-E-D, red. This is yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. This is green, green and orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. So these colors we need to match with this here, matched colors. Next come to the next concept. Next one, similarity, the same one. Match the groups that have same number of objects. So here what we have to find it here is, we need to match the group with the same number of objects. So here we need to consider same number. So first one, we have to count the here, count it, and left side whatever it is, how many number of are there, let's going to match with this. So first count it. So here 1, 2, 3. Here this is 1 and 2. Here 1, 2, 3. So 3 umbrellas are there. So 2 butterflies are there. Let's go into match 1, 2, 3, same number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, they are already matched. Then here 1, 2 is there. Here left side, write all the numbers, count it 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, bats are there, toothpaste and cups, flowers and table. So let's go into match. So here 1, 2 is there. Here also how many flowers are there? 1, 2. So here let's going to take and here draw like this. So always butterflies fall on flowers. So these are the matching concept. Now let's see the activity. So what is that activity here is and patterns, shapes and patterns. So what is shapes and patterns here? Color the green. So shapes and patterns. What is meant by shapes and what are the patterns? So first of all, shape means in mathematics we'll use different shapes, and real life also we will use different shapes. So for you can take any toys and any materials in your home, you can see the different types of shapes like this: triangle and rectangle, circle. So what are these shapes? So this is rectangle. So this is the shape rectangle, and this is circle. So circle. So this shape is triangle. Triangle. Is there any? Yes, this is square. This is square. This is triangle. This is rectangle. This is circle. Is there any different shapes other than this? No, we are already covered all the shapes here. So these are the shapes which we'll use daily uses. Now what we have to do here is color the green. For square we have to draw, fill with the green. So this is the shape, right? Green. So try to fill it like this. Green. So try to properly draw inside the box. This is green shape. Now black one. So for black, for circle it is black. So let's going to take black color, and so first to draw the borders. How to color it? First to draw the borders and inside fill it like this. First of all you have to draw border, then you can fill it inside properly. So for the circle black we are filled, and for this shape small rectangle and big rectangle, whatever it is, small rectangle, this is big rectangle. So pink, I don't have pink, I'll use red color. So I don't have pink, in place of pink I am using red. If you will have pink, let's going to fill it with that. So for this, first draw the borders properly without going outside, then you can easily fill the color inside it. So fill like this. Sorry, I don't have pink, for that I am taking red color instead of pink color. If you will have pink, try to pink in that. And blue color, try to fill it like this. So blue color. For all triangles, blue color. So this is the way to fill the colors. Next one, what is the concept? Next concept here is color the shapes that are same. Color the shapes that are same. So here triangle. So what shape it is? Triangle. Triangle. Next shape, circle. Circle. Next shape, square. Next one is rectangle. So what they are asking here is we need to draw with colors. So what is that? So let's draw the blue color. So for triangle, right? So here triangle is there, here triangle is there, here triangle, here triangle. Is there any other triangles? No. You have to fill the color blue color here. Same color, right? So I am filling like this for your understanding, but try to fill the full. So here, so try to fill full colors. So here blue color. Let's going to take orange color. For orange, circle. So here circle is there, here, here, here. So how many circles are there? You can count it here also. So you can give the numbers also. So let's going to give 1, 2, 3. So you can write how many triangles are there in this? 3 triangles are there. Circles, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles are there. You can count numbers also. Other than shaping the colors, filling the colors in the shapes, you can count the number also. So square, let's go into pink. 1 in this column. No. 2, 3, 4. 4. What is this? 4 squares are there. So here rectangles are there. 1, 2. 2 rectangles. And you can fill this shape. How many? What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentagon. So pentagon, 5 sides are there means. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any shape will have 5 sides. Then we can use pentagon. So pentagon means 5 sides. 1, 2 are there. You can fill it any color. So for this, let's going to fill a black color. So for this, fill it with the black color. Black. for this, and this is also black. This is oval shape. So only one oval is there. So for that, let's going to take oval. So let's going to take any one shape. This is oval shape. Oval shape. That is our concept for today. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in a next session.